Hey guys, DJ here. Merry Christmas! Well, sorry, meowy Christmas. I have a big kitty on here. Merry Christmas, it is today. Today is the holiday of Christmas. This is a same day upload. So I hope you guys are staying safe, having a blessed day, spending time with whoever you live with, because traveling is probably not the best idea. I was about to, but I didn't due to family reasons. So good thing I didn't. I'm safe. We are gonna make today fun, and we're gonna do a little Christmas eye. I think it'd be fun. I've been telling myself to do it, and you know what? We're gonna do it. So Merry Christmas. I got my palettes ready aside. We're gonna do something red and green. It's gonna be really pretty. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because it's gonna be a holly jolly upcoming new year, I hope. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, subscribe, like the videos, share with your friends, and let's go ahead and get started with this holiday look. Cue the Christmas music. No, we're not getting copyright. No. All right, we're back. Let's get started. I already primed my first lid, literally just same thing every time the past couple videos. Kimchi concealer, my new favorite concealer. What was my other favorite? Was it Juvia's? I don't know. This shit does the job. Like, I'm just saying. I'm gonna start with the Hip Dot Meatball Diamond Diva palette, because this has a green in it. Cause I'm gonna do my first eye green and then the other red, and I like the green in this palette. That's what I thought of. So where's that crease brush in this cup? Oh, what's that? Is that it? Is that it? There's a brush that has a bunch of green on it. I'll just go ahead and use that. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, Grandma's Pickles. Grandma's Pickles. Y'all, meatball is a hoot. Ooh, I need to blend that creasing out. Hold on, we got that ready. Well, let's just blend that little creasing out. We're about to put our shadow on there. But I'll go ahead. So I'm using an AOA Studio E127 brush, and I'm going to just get this in the crease. I'm just gonna get this green in there. See, we're starting to see green. I'm thinking of I want to do something gold on the lid for this side, or silver. No, I was gonna do silver and do something red with like a gold glitter. I just think it'd be really festive. I don't want to keep the same glitter. I just want to like be really festive about it, like having two different color stories. But I'm just gonna get this into the crease. I have something else coming soon from Hip Dot that just arrived. I'm not gonna show you that just yet, unless have I talked about it? I don't know if I talked about it yet, but if you watch and you might have an idea, I have it down there. Hip Dot kills it with the shadows, like I'm telling you. They kill it. I mean, they collabed with fucking Meatball, Kesha. I mean, it's awesome. So that's the green. That's what I have so far. It looks a little darker here. What I'm doing, putting that one down, and I'm gonna go into the Freak Juvia's, and I'm gonna get some of that green and put that in there too. Mix it in. This green is pigmented too. It'll really bring out the green, and mixing them both together are gonna be a good combo. I might just do both of the eyes on camera, because they're two different color stories. Unless I was doing just another set of green over there, I would, but I'm not gonna do that. I hear Mr. Bub having a holly jolly day. He's just hanging out in the background. You hear him jingling? He might try to jump on my lap while I'm getting up. Yep, there he goes. He's on the bed right there. You wanna come here? You wanna come here? You wanna come say hi? You wanna come? Come on. Come here, Bub. Well, you decide what you want to do. I thought he was gonna come. He usually does that when I'm doing stuff. Whenever I'm busy, he likes to come on my lap. You know what I want to do, actually? Excuse me wiping my nose like that. Since we're gonna do both eyes on camera, let's go ahead. Let me just get this other eye lid primed, and what we can do. Let's start getting the red on the lid so we can really get it done, because obviously you can tell all that green I just did, that did not take time at all. Make sure your whole lid is set. Deep Christmas breaths every time. I'm going to go into the Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay palette. I did say I was going to do a second look with this palette. I've been saying that. This red in here is really pigmented. The red shade is Mikai. I'm going to use that. I'm going to grab, which brush do I grab? I'll grab my BS small eyeshadow brush. My first ever eyeshadow blending brush. Like, I can feel this slowly weakening. It's like, it's a couple years old, but it's just been a ride or die brush for me. So this red, it's really pigmented. Obviously, be aware. Reds will stain. Of course they will. But here, I'm going to go ahead and get this in there. Already we got color. Just like, I don't know, what are we going to do, like a red lip? I don't know if I'll do that. Look how pigmented that red is. It is good fucking red. I got a little close to that brow bone. Let's try and keep it away from there. And the red just has Hagman, like, just wow. Look at that. Obviously, if anyone's new to my videos, if I go messy down here, because I'm going to end up cleaning it with a wipe so that it's sharper. So if you wonder, like, he's going all the way out there, it gets cleaned. So don't you worry. So now that I got that place, let me get back to the green. I'm dipping into the Juvia's Place shade Niger. And I'm just going to bring some to the outer edge. I'm not really going to do like a deep outer edge color. I just want like just a true single color on the entire lid. Like that. I just want just that color. And then if you need to, you can go ahead and buff out the edges. Sometimes I have sharp lines going around, but it's just what I do. The red, I'm going to get some more and do the same thing, outer edge, like that. And just make sure this looks truly that color. Just like that. Blowing that away. I'm trying to think. There's nothing else. I'm just looking inside here. I don't think there's anything else in there I'm going to use. I'm going to put that down. So, what do we want to do next? Let's wipe our edges so that those are ready. I could attempt to do liner, but I don't know if I want. I mean, you all know how I am with liner. Scares the crap out of me. I mean, I've been doing it a little bit more. I'm going to definitely put on lashes today. We are doing lashes today. And I will probably, I mean, if I do liner, I'll do that off camera, probably. Okay. So I did that. Ignore all this. I mean, we're going to have foundation on later. For the lid, I think what I want to do, if I can find it over here. Where are you? I'm looking for my white concealer. So I was going to cut my crease. It might be in the drawer right here, you guys. I'm a mess. Let me go ahead and look for this concealer, and then I'll cut both of my creases, and we'll be back in a second. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I got both of my creases cut. I went ahead and grabbed the Morphe 39L. I forgot how big this palette is. It's so huge. There is a silver glitter and a goldish kind of glitter. I want to try this silver. I never actually put this on my eyes before, but we're going to try. Just making sure. Here's up. I'm going to feel this texture. Ooh, that's going to... All right, so I got the glitter right here. I'm going to go ahead. Let's just see. Oh. I hope you can't really, like, see through it too much, because I like glitter that's, like, full coverage glitter. I've never tried this before. It looks pretty so far. I want to try and get in the inner part. I made sure that the concealer wasn't fully dry. I mean, the other lid is probably going to dry by then, but I wanted to like kind of keep it semi-tacky. Again, I'm trying to push that glitter away. I want to grab a packer brush. Let's just see how it picks up on a brush. Oh, looks like it does. Let's go ahead. It picks up a little bit, I guess you can say. I want to pick up a little bit more, actually. I'm trying to like get it away from the crease. I want to pick up more. A little. Oof. I picked up a lot. I mean, I think it's pretty. I think it's a pretty glitter. It's a pretty glitter. Like in person, it's very sparkly. Now, I'm going to put this down somewhere. Can you sit right there? Can you sit? Don't. Okay. Fits. I want to grab my Urban Decay glitter liner, and what I want to do is kind of go around it. Kind of go around it like this. I want to see like how different it looks. Or like I can use this to kind of fill in areas. I feel like that made it sparklier, which is good. I want to go over this. I want to get my green again. I want to get a small detail crease brush like this. Really fine and small like this. Get off. I want to dip in and kind of go around. I want it to be like clean around. I want to still see. You kind of see what I'm doing there? Kind of deepening it. Or trying to make the color still known. And then go ahead and get the same brush you used for the green the first time. Dip in and bring some back in right there. And then grab a little bit more silver and then just kind of marry that in. I mean, I think that's a pretty eye. Now we got to do the red side. Let's pick up this palette again. I just sat on top of the hamper. How gold is this? This might be a little too orangey gold. That is too orangey gold, but it is pretty. So I wonder where I'll find like a true gold glitter, because I don't know if I have that. I'm gonna go into the Tati Beauty palette. That's not really gold either. I don't want to waste your time of me just looking around for a glitter. But I mean the closest I have this Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy as a backup. But like the one that I was just using to kind of like touch up, it kind of actually definitely, it made it a lot more glimmery, which is nice. I'm looking in my drawer right here, you guys. I need, what's this? No. I don't even, you know what, that's probably a thing I need to do, is look for really gold glitters. What's in the Wahala 2? Do we have a gold? Do we have an orange? Not a gold. We are just, I'm looking in here, you guys. How about this? I'm going to look for one. I'll be right back again. I'll be right back. All right, so here's what I figured out. I'm going to go into the Raw Beauty Christie ColourPop palette, and I'm going to take the shade West Coast. Here's what I'm going to do. You'll see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use that with my finger, and I'm going to go over the whole crease cut with this. We're going to have to use a packer brush for this. So let's just grab one of these packer brushes. I'm going to use this one, pick up this gold, and place it on top. That's how we're doing it. we're just doing everything on the fly. I mean, so far it's pretty, so what I'm gonna do is put down a base gold, and then, see, I think I don't want to do too much. See, that already looks pretty as it is. This glitter is like, let me get all the excess glitter out from under my eye. So I mean, I got a little base on, and then I'm gonna grab the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy Heavy Metal Glitter, and I'm just gonna go over this. So it's like, I'm just gonna like line the crease with this, and then start filling in the lid with it. Like, some people just use these for a liner, but I literally, when I got introduced to these, I literally just cover my lid with them. I mean, you can do whatever you want with makeup. It's no rules. I'm just gonna like really cover the lid with that. Ooh, see, now I think it's coming together. See, now we have, it's not real, obviously there's nothing like true gold about it, but it's still very festive. I want to get that palette again, and I want to bring more red into that outer edge, just because it looks a little dudded. That crease still looks pretty prevalent. So that, I'm gonna probably, honestly, just for the under eye, I'll probably just I'll match the same color just to make it easier. I'm not gonna do a green over here. I'm just gonna match it. Oh, but really, so far, I think that's really cute for a little Christmas eye. Do I need more silver? Do I need more silver? I don't know where I put that palette back. It's all the way over there. I'll just get a little bit more of this silver glitter, just like, and there we go. All right. All right, I think that's it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, probably Facebook Live, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and we will be back to see the final look. Okay, we'll be back. All right, guys, we are back. We have the eyes on. Look at this Christmas glam. It's so good. So glad I got to take a little time just to really get in the spirit. But yeah, this is the full look today. I would love to see if anyone else does Christmas glams, and actually this was inspired by my drag sis Sherry Flambe. She has a look on her channel. You know what, I will get the link for it and I will put it down below in the box so you guys can see like the regular like boy glam version, but then the drag version, because she did a full-on look, honey. But yeah, this is just our Christmas face. We just feel really cute. This nude lip, oh my god, y'all. Whenever the BoxyCharm box comes up, let me just let you know that this MAC lipstick that was in there in the shade Down to an Art, this is really pretty. I'll probably that video will be up after this one. This lipstick is awesome. I love it. But yeah, that's it, you guys. One more time, meowie Christmas. I got makeup on there right there, like, fuck. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this look and this tutorial on the holiday Christmas eye. I want you to, guys, please stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, stay distant, keep yourself safe. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the new year. I'm gonna get that BoxyCharm video up before the 31st, so don't worry, it'll be up in the next 5 days, okay? But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a good day from wherever you are. Happy holidays, and always stay fierce and jolly. Mwah. Bye.